Hello everyone, welcome to Tinnovel's channel, and in this short video I will show you how you can fix DXGI error device hung issue in Apex Legends. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start our video without wasting any time. So to fix DXGI error, just follow every step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue. So if you are using AMD GPU, then follow these steps, otherwise skip this step and move to next step.